back, and in this video I'll be giving you some information on the count plus distinct statement. So we have seen separately how to use the count statement and the distinct statement. So this video is about how to use both the statements as a combo. So if you want to take a look at the count or the distinct statement, I've provided the links in the description box and you can take a look at it. So let's get into it. So what is this count plus distinct statement? So here you can use it in scenarios where you want to find the number of unique, this is an example, okay? So you want to find the number of some unique values. So in this example, I have a table of languages given over here. So when I want to find the number of unique languages that are in the table, then I can use the count plus distinct combo. So whenever you want to find the number of unique values in a table and in a column, you can use this particular statement. So for example, let's say the syntax is, whenever you want to use the count plus the distinct statement, the syntax is select count, and within count we need to count the number of distinct values. So you need to mention in parentheses, since count is a function, within parentheses you need to mention distinct of column name from the table name, okay? So now let's say you have this table as I showed in the previous slide. I have a table of languages where there's language ID and languages columns. Now I want to find the number of unique languages. So when, as I said, first SQL executes from right to left. So the very first command, it looks for the table name, okay? So over here, the table name would be language and the column name would be language. So the table name is languages and the column name is language. So now it selects the distinct, okay, of the languages, which is French, German, English and Spanish. So if you see here, after applying the distinct from the languages table for the column language, this is the output, okay. Now with this output, the count function is going to be applied. So applying count, if you see, the count of these rows is going to be 4 and this is the output you would get. So this is how a combination of count plus distinct statements can be used. So let's get to see that with an example. So I have Postgres over here and I have a set of tables for a database. Now for example, let me say that I want to check the distinct countries and I want the count of the distinct countries. So I have this table country and I want to check the number of distinct countries. So I'm going to write my query select count, then I need to give parentheses distinct of, what's the column name, country, and what's the table, the table is country. So this is my count plus distinct statement. So now if I run this query, this is going to give me the count of unique countries. So in this query of mine, I have 109 unique countries. So you can use it for any time where you want to find, as I said, the number of distinct values of your column. So I hope that you got some information on this query, how to use the count and distinct. It's very easy, and which in case you ever need to use it, I think you can use it henceforth in the future since you know it. So if you like this video, please do give this video a thumbs up. If you haven't subscribed, please do subscribe to this channel and also do share your feedbacks. Thank you.